Hey YouTube, this is just a follow-up to my previous video on these Kotobukiya Megaman X model kits. I ended up painting the full charge kit as I mentioned I would do, and it turned out okay. I only painted the dark blue parts of him, so I left the light blue, the factory finish, and I left the chest piece, that iridescent finish too, and I think it looks alright now. At least it's all kind of the same. I used an airbrush for this, and the paint I used is this Wicked Colors Wicked Pearl Blue, and I pretty much applied that straight out of the bottle. I used a little of this thinner just to get a nice flow out of my airbrush. I've never really airbrushed before, so that was all kind of new to me, but I figured it out. This is just airbrush cleaner. So yeah, Wicked Colors. I didn't do any mixing of colors. It's just this Wicked Pearl Blue, and this is what you get. So I mean, it kind of looks like the Bandai D Arts now, a little less shiny, but it does have some metallic to it. It's you can kind of see that on the camera. It's got some shine. There's a couple spots that I painted that don't look great. So you can see right there, kind of by his knee, I got a little too thick and pooled up, but all in all, it looks okay. He's got some stuff on the bottom of his foot. I'll have to clean that off. But yeah, now that it's painted, I like the figure a lot better, but if I had to go back in time and do all this again, I would have just bought this one and just been fine with this one, because the whole peeling of the coating off of this is just ridiculous for $65 to $70, and it's already starting to peel on the light blue parts too, but I just haven't found a paint that seems close enough without any mixing, and I'm not quite confident enough to mix. So, oh, and the other thing too is I did not paint that inside joint for his shoulder, because if you put one of these together, you know that once you put that together, you're probably not going to be able to get it apart. And I didn't feel like taping off the whole chest just to paint that little part, so I just let it go for now. I might redo a couple pieces in the future that didn't turn out as good on him, but for the most part, I'm happy with it. I would totally recommend this color if you wanted to do this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps somebody out make some decisions.